Dear learners, let us discuss about passive voice of the present tense. The first thing we have to remember is that there is no passive voice for present perfect continuous tense. Second thing, when do we use passive voice in our daily lives? Especially when the object is more important, more prominent than the subject, we tend to use passive voice. What is the form of passive voice? Usually, the object comes to the subject slot and subject is going to the object space and is added with the preposition by. And the verb is taking different forms in different tenses. Verb be is expressing itself in different forms like is, are, have, has. Plus it takes past participle form of the verb. That is the form of present tense passive voice. Let us see in detail what are the forms taken by the verb in simple present, present continuous, and present perfect tenses.
The simple present, plural give and singular gives in the active voice, they become am given, is given, are given in the passive voice. In the present continuous tense, am giving, is giving, are giving in the active voice become am being given, is being given, are being given in the passive voice. In present perfect tense, has given, have given in the active voice become has been given, have been given in the passive voice.
Now let us see some examples of simple present tense passive voice.
Affirmative sentence. Active. Seniors help the juniors. It becomes juniors are helped by the seniors in the passive form. Negative sentences. They don't bake cake here. It becomes cakes aren't baked here in the passive. Interrogative sentence in the question form. How do they make this fabric? How is this fabric made?
Let us analyze some examples for present continuous tense passive form.
In the statement form, she is singing a song. It becomes a song is being sung by her in the passive. Negative form, he is not doing homework. Homework is not being done by him. Interrogative, whom are you waiting for? Who is being waited for by you?
Let us see the usage of passive voice in the present perfect tense.
Cat has drunk the milk. It becomes milk has been drunk by the cat. Negative sentence, I have not received the letter. The letter has not been received by me. Interrogative sentence, who has done this? It becomes by whom has this been done in the passive form.
Dear learners, we have at length analyzed the different forms and usages of passive forms in the present tense. You may refer Styling the Sentence 7, which deals with passive forms of past tenses. I wish you subscribe this channel Lit Tracks. See you in the next episode to discuss about simple future tense. Thank you.